Scene. Dark background. Cinematic text glow. Then cut to bright, cozy living room with plants and gadgets on the table. Every day, we invite technology into our homes. From the blender in our kitchen, to the cleaning sprays in our cabinets, to the air purifiers in our bedrooms. But here's the question most people never ask. Are these gadgets actually safe? In 2025, with toxic chemicals hiding in everyday products and cheap plastic gadgets flooding the market, protecting your family isn't just about comfort. It's about survival. Welcome to Safer Home Gadgets, your go-to channel for toxin-free, eco-friendly, and family-friendly living. Scene. Shots of harsh cleaning sprays, plastic gadgets, cluttered kitchen counters. Let's be honest. Most of us don't even think twice about what our gadgets are made of. That shiny, non-stick pan? It might contain chemicals linked to hormone disruption. That plastic food storage container? It could be leaching microplastics into your meals. And even that smart plug you got for cheap online, it might not be certified for safe use in your home. The truth is, toxic products are everywhere. They sneak into our homes, and slowly they impact our health, our kids, and even our pets. But here's the good news. The future of home living doesn't have to be toxic. The future is eco-friendly, toxin-free, and smarter than ever before. This channel is built on one mission: to help you discover the safest, smartest, and most eco-friendly gadgets for your home in 2025. Every week, we'll explore gadgets that are not only convenient, but also non-toxic and eco-friendly and sustainable. Certified safe for families and pets. Designed to make healthy living effortless. From kitchen essentials to cleaning tech, from air purifiers to smart home safety. We'll cover it all, and we won't just talk about them. We'll test them, compare them, and show you exactly how they work in real homes like yours. Cinematic close-ups of eco-friendly gadgets in kitchen. Stainless steel water filter, bamboo cutting board, toxin-free, non-stick pan, reusable silicone bags. Let's start with the heart of every home, the kitchen. Here's where toxins often sneak in first. Cookware, food storage, cleaning products. All of these can affect what we put into our body. Take this, for example. A stainless steel water filter system. Unlike plastic pitchers that break down and release, this filter gives you clean, chemical-free water with zero waste. Or this toxin-free ceramic non-stick pan. Traditional non-stick coatings often contain sometimes called forever chemicals, which don't just harm your family, they harm the planet. But with safer alternatives, you can cook healthy meals without the hidden risks. And instead of single-use plastics, try reusable silicone food bags. They're durable, eco-friendly, and safe for kids' lunches. Small swaps like these turn your kitchen into a toxin-free zone. Next, cleaning. Most of us spray, wipe, and scrub every day. But did you know many cleaning sprays release harmful VOCs, volatile organic compounds, into the air you breathe? That's why safer gadgets like this steam mop are game. With nothing but water, it kills 99% of germs. No chemicals required. Or consider refillable spray bottles with concentrated plant-based cleaning pods. You add water, shake, and you've got a powerful cleaner. Without single-use plastic bottles piling up in your trash, these gadgets don't just clean your home. They protect your lungs, your kids, and even your pets. Switch to bedroom. Living room with Eco Air Purifier, non-toxic humidifier. Organic cotton bedding. But safety isn't just about what we cook with or clean with. It's also about what we breathe, what we touch, and what surrounds us every day. Take indoor air quality. The air inside your home can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoors. Dust, chemicals, and allergens linger for hours. That's where gadgets like eco-certified air purifiers step in, using HEPA filtration and non-toxic materials. They keep your air clean without ozone emissions or plastic waste. Or think about small changes like organic cotton bedding or non-toxic humidifiers. These are not just nice-to-haves. They're part of creating a safer, healthier lifestyle for your family. Of course, modern living means smart tech. But not all tech is created equal. Cheap, uncertified devices can overheat, short-circuit, and even cause fires. That's why, on this channel, we'll review only certified, safe gadgets, like smart plugs with built-in surge protection, or baby monitors designed with privacy-first software so your family moments aren't hacked by strangers. Even something as simple as switching to eco-LED lamps saves energy and reduces household risks. You see, safer living isn't about buying everything new. It's about making smarter choices, replacing the dangerous with the safe. Swapping toxic for non-toxic! Every gadget you bring into your home has the power to either protect your family or put them at risk. And when you choose wisely, you're not just creating a safer home. You're rebuilding a healthier future for yourself, your children, and the planet. This is just the beginning. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into the best toxin-free kitchen gadgets, eco-friendly cleaning tech, and the safest smart devices of 2025. So if you want a healthier home, safer products, and trustworthy reviews, hit that subscribe button and join our community, because your family deserves the very best and the safest. Welcome to Safer Home Gadgets, where safe living starts today.